Hi everyone, my name's Steve, welcome to my channel. For well over a year since I first bought my video recorder, I've been recording some things I get up to, primarily for personal use but also with some vague notion of uploading a few vlogs. As time passed and as my recordings grew, I realised I should create a channel where others might appreciate them as well. I undertake a multitude of projects and tasks using machines and tools, but this channel ventures into much more: construction, mechanics, engineering, repairs, restoration, landscaping, lifestyle, to name a few, and not always according to plan. Being at a higher elevation than most, it can rain for weeks on end. The days are shorter, there's frost and snow, and throughout the year the winter can be rather tiresome. Conversely, in summer, the flies and midges are maddening. Yet despite these issues, when the weather calms and the sun shines, the Highlands can rival the best for walks and scenery. It's my intention to post 1 or 2 vlogs per week. Eventually the timelines of past and present recordings will synchronise. In that time, this channel and my exploits have developed. Likewise, the projects I tackle and the machines I purchase will develop even more in the future. For now though, grab yourself a beverage, sit back and follow me on Highland Machines and more.